By the fear. By the fear. Oh, what happened to SPY? Well, looks like we're getting that red week. Red week as predicted. Yeah. How are we still up 0.22%? Come on, I need you to go a little bit further, Spizers. It's topping out here. What was this? Oh, the attacks. The attacks. Yeah, there were attacks on the Middle East. There was stuff going on in the Middle East. People unfollowed me because I posted about the protest, dude. I can't stand how sensitive some people are, dude. You literally just have any like, if your opinion varies from theirs at all, they just automatically unsubscribe. I notice it's, and I'm not trying to point people out, but I notice it's mostly like people on the left, the blue side. I don't claim any side. But I notice people on the blue side, like, as soon as I say something they don't agree with, they're like, oh, I can't watch this guy anymore. I'm done. It's like you guys, some of you guys on the blue side turn your brain off as soon as you hear an opinion that's different from yours. And I'm not even a Republican or a right. Like, I'm in the middle. So if what I say offends you, you might be an extremist. Like, if something that somebody says that's moderate, somebody who's moderate and in the middle says something and it offends you, you might be an extremist. Yes, GME's looking good. I bought the dip. I don't know about you guys. We did open up around that 23 mark, or 22.15, I said. Looks like we opened up 22.20, around that range. Yeah, I said we would open up between like 22.15 and 22.50, I think I said. Somebody called me a propagandist for literally reporting the news. I don't know if you guys seen, but there's all of these mass protests planned. There's like a huge map of protests all across America that is supposed to be happening. On June 14th. There's like a bunch of protests. And then also there was Middle East tension. So that's another thing I forgot to report about. There was Middle East tensions. Right here. Israel strikes Iran. Yeah, this is it. Right here. So I'm going to tweet about this. Yeah, I have the No Kings Walmart angle. I talked about that. I talked about it. You know your boy keeps it covered when it comes to the news. Now I need to see if Bitcoin dropped. See how Bitcoin doesn't drop when it's an emergency? Yo, thank you for the 5. Thank you for the 5 months solid, brother. $5 months solid support. SPY needs to dump hard. It's coming, bro. Hopefully we get that red week. I'm hoping we come down a little bit further and lock in that red week that I talked about. I did say a slight red week, and it looks like that's what we're seeing here. SPY will dump. SPY will dump. It's funny how I get online, SPY starts pulling back. I love the way the market treats me sometimes. Look, we're getting the red week. We're getting it. We're getting it. We're getting it, baby. Yeah. It's finally time for SPY to top out and pull back. And NASDAQ's coming back inside the rising wedge. Look, look. Look what NASDAQ's doing. Ooh, retest of the rising wedge, baby. It's over. It's over. Now, we did make a gap fill to the upside. That's one thing that sucks. We always have to make a gap, dude. I hate that. They make the gap, so we have to return back to these highs. But, guys, it's over. This is the retest of the NASDAQ. Been here a year, but wanted to say thanks. Thank you, brother. Thank you for the 9 months and the support, bro. We couldn't be here without people like you guys that hold down the membership for multiple months at a time, man. I really appreciate that.
Been here a year, but just wanted to say thanks.
So I could actually move this down because the rising wedge is now getting retested. So what you're going to see is you see the breakdown of the rising wedge. You might come up, fill this gap, and then just dump. Oh my God, it's over. This is the rising wedge, guys. This is the rising wedge, and I told you guys once it breaks back inside of this, it's a wrap. So we are now breaking down out of the rising wedge. This is why they're trying to shake people out of AMC and GameStop, because if the market crashes, AMC and GameStop will squeeze. I know some people don't understand that, but that's literally what we need to squeeze. Yo, check it out, check it out. Tensions in the Middle East are rising. You guys know I always report the news and things you need to know, especially if they're affecting the market. Markets are down because of this. Israel strikes Iran's nuclear sites and military leadership as the Middle East brace for retaliation. And then here's all of the details. Trump warns Iran, military leaders killed, Iran attacks. And here's what we know right now. Israel attacks Iran. You guys can read the details here. Trump warns Iran and military leaders killed, nuclear targets. Let's go. This is crazy, baby. Is this the start of WW3? Like and subscribe for more breaking news and stock-related content. AMC pushing, AMC pushing. Yeah. SPY falls. Memes rise. Oh my God. All right, y'all, check it out, check it out, check it out. Breaking news right now. Israel strikes Iran nuclear sites and military leadership. The Middle East braces for retaliation. Is this WW3, ladies and gentlemen? Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Here is what we know right now, okay? Obviously, the Middle East is a powder keg. Trump warns Iran. Military leaders have been eliminated. Israel attacks Iran. And then there's also nuclear targets. This is all bad, ladies and gentlemen. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comments below. And like and subscribe for more breaking news for stocks and crypto and just general news that you need to know. I also recently reported about a bunch of protests that are going to be coming here soon. You want to know about this information. Yeah, make sure you guys like and subscribe. I'll keep you guys informed. DZ fam's going to be okay. DZ fam's going to be all right. Yeah, markets are falling. Markets are falling. So this is the rising wedge retest that I talked about, guys. Remember I told you guys once NASDAQ breaks down inside this rising wedge, this is going to be the start of the fall. So this is literally the beginning of, basically the beginning of the fall of the markets. Never seen anyone call them out like Datazero. Hey, man, I just keep it real, brother, and just tell you guys what the charts tell me. I just tell you guys what the charts tell me. I bought the dip on GameStop. Now I'm up. Member for 9 solid months. Sir Kai Supreme. Lots of people dropping their memberships. Let's go. What the heck? Yeah, why can't I find... All right, we got 145 in the building already. 145 in the building already. SPY's about to dump, y'all. It's about to head to this gap. Okay. It's over, guys. The rising wedge has been retested on NASDAQ. This is all bad for NASDAQ. That means NASDAQ gonna come crashing down. This is the beginning of the pullback. So red week, SPY coming to fruition. Red week, SPY coming to fruition. I told you guys the pullback would start Wednesday, heading into Thursday and Friday. This is exactly what we're seeing. When did it start? Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I literally said Monday, Tuesday bullish, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday bearish with the blow off top. Called it perfectly. Here's the receipts if you don't believe me. Because I know some people will be like, nah, what video? What are you talking about? I'll show you guys. Weekly outlook of prediction. Weekly outlook of prediction. You know I be for that, in my personal opinion, giving us a nice spike to the upside, then a blow off top move to the downside. So again, a nice rapid push up. And I literally called it perfect. The nice rapid push up, and I called the top. Back rapidly 605 I called. Listen. 600, you can see an even decent move to the upside, make 302 or 602, 605, and then start pulling back rapidly after that, in my personal opinion, giving us a nice spike to the upside, then a blow off top move to the downside. Spike to the upside. Again, a nice rapid push up, leading to a big move down. Most likely starting on Wednesday, heading into Thursday. Heading Friday. Towards the gap, Phil. Go red week for SPY. Right here's the gap. Let's go ahead and move into BTC and crypto. I'm him. Guys, you have to know I'm right 99.99999% of the time. I be trolling my haters now, bro. Yeah, this is a bull flag. This is a bull flag. This is a bull flag on GameStop. AMC looking good as well. I told you guys bullish Friday in yesterday's video. Thank you, Dominic. I appreciate you. You're the only one who tells it out of his. We salute you. Always appreciate you. Thank you, man. I really appreciate the love, guys. Really do. Thank you so much. It really does mean a lot, guys. Thank you. Much love, family. My main goal was to come on here and keep it 150 with everybody. All times. I knew that's something that would help separate my channel from the others, because people just sit on the fence and they don't even say how they really feel. I'd say exactly how I feel. I say exactly what's real. And I just keep it $150. Good or bad. I think GameStop has more upside, but not till next week. It looks like SPY might start dumping even sooner than I thought here. I was looking for a slight recovery to pull back, but it looks like SPY might just keep continuing down. I'm hoping GameStop can hold these levels and then push up here. We want to see GameStop above $23. Oh, GameStop. I want to see GameStop cost to borrow. Whoa! Oh, shit. This is it, guys. Oh, no. Oh, my God. I'm getting really excited, y'all. Guys, you don't even know. Guys, the market is going to pull back and AMC and GME will explode. And if NASDAQ breaks down, the MAG 7 is what they use for liquidity. So if NASDAQ breaks down, they'll lose money. Yo, this could be it. This could be the setup. So we have cost of borrow spiking. Guys, last time cost of borrow did this, GameStop squeezed. Last time cost of borrow did this, bro. GameStop rallied. Yeah, bro. We haven't seen cost of borrow this high since. We haven't seen cost of borrow this high since May 5th, 2024, when GameStop squeezed. We haven't seen cost of borrow go that high. Cost of borrow was a little bit higher then. It was like 15%. But cost of borrow is now at 3%. It's heading in the right direction. 3.22%. Only 1.4 million short shares. So something definitely could be coming on the 20th. We have a mega gamma ramp too. I know I was a little off with the earnings call, but I think it's part of the plan. Obviously, I expected earnings to pop us to the upside, but I think this is part of the plan. I don't think I'm wrong about what ultimately is coming. I told you guys a macro rally is coming. And I don't think I'm wrong about that. Obviously, I was wrong about the events of earnings. I thought earnings, the fourth beat in a row, would be a catalyst. I thought the fourth beat in a row would be a catalyst to see us rally higher. But I have to think more long term. This is all part of the plan. This is the dip. And then we come down to this liquidity zone and we rip. This is all part of the plan. I wasn't thinking long term enough. So my timing was off. I don't think I'm wrong about what's coming. I think my timing is off. AMC is pushing up as well. AMC is pushing up as well. Bullish Friday. Bullish Friday. Let's go. Turn up. Like the stream. Send gifted memberships. When cost of borrow goes up, man, price goes up. That's all you need to know. I've explained it so many times, bro. I'm not trying to be mean, but bro, I've explained cost of borrow and meme stocks like literally every single day in every single one of my videos. So if you don't understand by now, either you're not watching my videos or you're not paying attention. So please go watch my videos because I literally talk about cost of borrow almost every single day in my videos. So that's why I'm not going into great detail about it right now. All right, start a Q&A, start a poll. Did you like the stream? Green Friday as predicted, baby. GameStop tracking, GameStop tracking, GameStop tracking. So what I'm hoping to see from GameStop is it holds this level and then pushes up towards 23. I wonder how much a maid would charge me. Sometimes I have chicks over and they just clean for me, but that's not very nice. But they want to do that, okay? I don't make them do that. For some reason, they just come over and clean. I don't know. All right, so SPY is dying, which I love to see, honestly. I should want to see SPY go up, but me and SPY have a history right now. SPY's been defiant, to say the least. It's higher than it should be, and that's why me and SPY are not getting along, because it's overvalued. And that overvalued of SPY makes me angry. Yo, why is AMC just slowly creeping up here? AMC's heading towards the gap fill. AMC's heading towards the gap fill in the daily time frame. Sometimes they cook. But I don't always have people over. It just depends on the mode. Or the mood. I like my solitude. I like my peace. I can't believe cost to borrow is 322. This is definitely what we want to see. This is a move in the right direction. Yes, please get me over 100 likes. We have Zelly and Bano in the chat right now. Life is complete. I miss you, ladies. We need to make a group chat again. Okay, here's what I got for SPY. Finally. I knew it was going to push up. I'm just waiting for it. Like, that's why I keep moving this prediction around. It's going to push up and pull back. That's exactly what SPY is going to do. Oh, the DZ merch store. I'm very proud to be self-employed, if you guys can't tell. I always wanted to be self-employed. That was my dream. Okay, here we go. Here we go. SPY's going to push up, make a lower high, and pull back. That's what I believe. Yo, Amy is creeping. 323, baby, up 2.88%. Bitcoin is green. Notice how Bitcoin's green even though there's stuff going on. Middle East conflicts. We're actually retesting this. This could be actually really bullish. This could actually be really bullish. Retesting this as support. This could be really bullish. Amy looks actually really good. If this could be the setup, guys. This could be the setup where SPY starts to fall. Because on the macro, I told you guys that we're trending down as far as the macro is concerned. You guys can see how NASDAQ makes a lower high. And if NASDAQ breaks down out of this rising wedge and drops all the way down, it will probably make a lower low, giving us an overall downtrend. Meaning recession type shit. Meaning AMC GME squeeze type shit. You and Bano. I said I miss you ladies. You and Bano. I enjoy talking to you guys, you know? Just friendly conversations. Just 3 people interested in stocks, that's all. Yesterday's video did not hit the algorithm very well. Views are definitely going up, though. Views are definitely going up. Yes, 100% views are going up. And I've been actually streaming less and making less videos, and views are still going up. Yeah, that is a good thing. If you're talking about the views. It's something that I needed bad. Remember, I kept telling you guys that I need to get more subscribers. That way we get more, like, just base views. Basically, like, the more subscribers I get, the more the views come in. So that's why I want to grow. This is what I got for SPY. It's going to push up, make a lower high, and then drop down. I just want to take this time to thank everybody who's here right now, because you guys changed my life and I truly appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching, for real. I truly have the best job in the world. Being a YouTuber is actually better than I ever thought. I'm really hoping GameStop can hold up here. Amy's creeping up, bro. What the heck? Jose with a super chat. Let's go. Oh, shit. Family making it rain. Double R and Jose. What are you guys doing? What are we doing here, guys? Bro, this is why I swear you guys coordinate shit. This is why I swear you guys are in the background like, hey, let's all send super chats at the same time. Jose H and Double R. Super chats always come in pairs or comes in groups. That's why I'm convinced you guys are in the background like, hey, let's all send them at the same time. I don't know how you do it, but you do it. So Jose H and Double R were conspiring to send those super chats at the same time. Bro, thank you guys. I really appreciate y'all. You hate GME. That sucks. I love GME. Benno! Let's go!
Rolling on the floor laughing, rolling on the floor laughing, rolling on the floor laughing.
Why'd I almost miss that super chat though? Why'd I almost not see it? I never see Benno super chat somehow. It's like a curse. I almost missed that one. Hey guys, apparently I'm lazy. Apparently I'm lazy, guys. That was the latest comment on one of my posts. This guy's lazy. I literally have over 5,000 views or 5,000 videos on my YouTube channel. Or I have 4,600 videos on my YouTube channel. And make a live stream and video every day except for just a couple of days. And then people start calling me lazy. This is how crazy the world is, guys. This is why I don't listen to anything anyone says except for the positive things anymore. Like, I've learned over time when it comes to this YouTube shit, literally, people are so stupid that you'll see the dumbest comments, like shit like that. So this is why anything negative I don't listen to. It kind of sucks because I want to take constructive criticism, but like people say the dumbest thing. So I just automatically, as soon as somebody says something negative, I'm like, okay, I just can't even listen to it. But I want to take constructive criticism. But like, people are literally stupid. Spy's doing what I said probably. It's going to push up here and pull back. I almost didn't see it, Benno. I almost didn't see it. We got 177 people in the building now. I swear super chats make people come in the building too. I swear, bro. It's weird. I think YouTube does that though. GME's pulling back some, but that's okay. We want to get back above 23. Spy. Oh, Spy's about to dump. Guys, Spy will dump before the end of the day is my prediction. I think Spy will dump before the end of the day. We are 100% getting a red week on Spy. Just like I predicted. I said Monday, Tuesday, bullish. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, bearish. Starting on Wednesday, heading into Thursday and Friday. Leading to a big move down. Most likely starting on Wednesday, heading into Thursday and Friday. So I'm going to go ahead and go red week for SPY. I love being right, and I hate being wrong. We just need SPY to go down a little bit more, but it's going to dump before close. And I literally called 605 top. I said 605 would be the top. 605 top. If you go to the weekly time frame, you can see 605 as the exact top because this happened in pre-market. 605.06 top. I literally called that out too. 605 and then start pulling back rapidly after that in my personal opinion. I said 605 and start pulling back, baby. Try to push up for 600. If we do break 600, you could see an even decent move to the upside, make 302 or 602, 605, and then start pulling back rapidly after that. I think SQQQ will pump more next week. This is going to be a slight red week for SPY, and then we're going to have a bigger red week next week. SPY is literally zero. It's red week. Red week SPY. Red week SPY. Red week SPY. So we needed to go below 599, like 19. I literally called SPY perfect, and SPY is one of the hardest stocks to predict. It looks like it's going down even faster than I thought. I thought we would get a bounce to pull back, and look, we're going down even faster than that. Can't be mad with that, though. This is what I want. Still looking for a possible bounce, so be careful. AMC 320, GameStop 2251. If you're asking, I'll look at it, but if you're asking, the answer is yes. If you're asking yourself already, the answer is yes.
Should I take profit on $USEG?
That's what you guys need to, but I will 100% look. But if you are asking, if you're like, should I be taking profits? Yeah, just do it. Just secure the bag. Why are you not securing the bag? This thing's been downtrending. You should have been secured the bag. It looks like you might get a little bounce now because you already found your bottom. But bro, secure a bag. I would secure a bag and maybe take some of the profits and go back in, not financial advice. Not financial advice. I would secure some of the profits and then maybe go back in. Because you do have support here at 215. And if you can break back above 236, you could see upside. You need to break and hold 236. This could be like a little double bottom for me. You should have secured the bag, though, as soon as RSI went overbought. As soon as you seen RSI go overbought, that's when you should have secured the bag. Yo, thank you for the super chat, bro. Bags must be secure. What up, top dog? Make sure you guys hit that like button and subscribe. Hit that like button and subscribe. Hit that like button and subscribe. Yeah, you really shouldn't compromise your morals for money. SPY is dumping. I posted in the Discord. SPY is dumping. So we're probably not going to get this bounce until way later. I'm still looking for a potential bounce, so just be careful. But RSI is not oversold yet, so. And we are not breaking above this yellow. If we break above this yellow line, that's different. So far, we're in a downtrend. It's not been broken. Clear downtrend on SPY right now. Clear downtrend SPY. Very clear downtrend. GameStop starting to recover. Bro, margin calls are going to come. That's why cost of borrow is spiking. Margin calls are going to come. GameStop's going to squeeze. I'm not saying that lightly, bro. GameStop's going to do something, bro, especially if this market pulls back. If SPY starts to pull back, you're going to see something. And looks like it's time. It looks like it might be time, family. All of these gaps need filled. Of course, NASDAQ leaves gaps to the upside, though. All of these gaps need filled on the downside of NASDAQ. GameStop's getting a nice recovery. Bro, if SPY pulls back, you will see something pop off on these memes. We need to have a deep drawdown. And what I think is going to happen with SPY is a macro pullback. And it's all course. This is all correlating with the mega gamma ramp that we have for next week. If GameStop starts to go up at all, we have a huge gamma ramp. Huge. Look, 29,000 calls at $23. People are buying the dip stupid. This is the biggest gamma ramp I've ever seen, bro. This could ramp us all the way to hundreds of dollars. 100, 125, 70. Like, this could ramp us all the way up. This gamma ramp is wild. I don't even know why it's here. People are buying calls for this week. What are you guys doing? It's Friday. They're wilding out. It's probably take a couple weeks, but there's no way to know for sure how long it's going to take. When they do announce it, the price will go back up. It shouldn't matter, though. It's not like selling shares. The deal that GameStop got was extremely good. In fact, if you read the deal, GameStop should have went up. Because they basically got free money. If you read the deal that GameStop got and understand it, GameStop basically got free money. And I don't think GameStop should even went down like that. Yo, SPY's dumping. SPY's dumping, guys. SPY's dumping. Oh, shit. SPY is absolutely dumping. SQQQ's up 3% on the day right now. Definitely red week for SPY as predicted. Iran canceled U.S. talks. It's going down. Oh, shit. This is crazy. We're literally about to witness the end of the world. This can't be real. All while the U.S. is about to have a civil war. This is actually insane. The U.S. is literally about to have a civil war because the right and the left have been hijacked, and everybody's so echo chambered and so extreme that we have a civil war about to happen because people have been radicalized because they stay on Twitter too long, arguing with bots. They're literally arguing with bots, and they're arguing with freaking agents from other countries. Like, people don't even understand like the half of what's really going on, dude. Twitter, if you guys never heard about the dead internet theory, bro, Twitter is mostly made up of bots and also people that have either been compromised by getting paid to post what they're posting, or they're literally straight up, I know this is going to sound crazy, but like spies for other countries trying to destabilize America. Like, they're actually people sitting in a cubicle somewhere in another country posing to be an American online to sow discourse using social media. That's actually a tactic that other countries use. Everything is technology nowadays. And, like, people don't know. A lot of people use technology, but they don't really know about technology. Oh, man, dude, we're so cooked. We're so cooked, dude. We're cooked. So we have that going on all while the Middle East is on fire. So, literally, the USA is about to tear itself apart while WW3 starts. Well, it looks like George Soros won. Looks like he got what he wanted. Wait, did somebody say Moran's rants compare GME to Costco? That's messed up. Bro, chill. We're all good. No, we're not. No, we are not, bro. Have you seen Los Angeles? Have you seen New York? Have you seen what's going on, bro? What? No, we're not good. I would love to be blissfully ignorant and think, yeah, it's all good, bro. But it's not. It's not all good, bro. I'm not trying to be mean or anything like that, but that's blissful ignorance if you think it's all good right now. It's not all good. It is far from all good. All right, I'm hoping GameStop can get back above 22.76. AMC is creeping towards the gap fill at 325. We have a gap fill at 325 to 328, and this is on the daily time frame. SPY just keeps dumping and dumping and dumping. It does have support here. SPY has support at 597. SPY has support at 597. It's like 597.85. RSI is getting oversold SPY. RSI is getting oversold SPY. Okay, I like the optimism. I like the optimism. I can roll with that. And being stoic. I can rock with that as well. But simply saying things are all good, no. But there might be hard times coming. I don't say this stuff to scare people. As long as you own Bitcoin and as long as you do right by God and as long as you, depending if you're a man or a woman, do what you're supposed to do. Either protect your family, man, you'll be all right. But I wouldn't want to live, and I know I have a ton of family out there, man. I pray for my family in California. I pray for my family in New York. I pray for my family in like all of the West Coast, basically. I really hope this Kings thing doesn't come to fruition. So all of my family in Oregon, Washington, and California, New York, I'm praying for you guys. I hope this doesn't really come to fruition, because this seems crazy. And the protests are everywhere. Now, Florida governor has already came out and said, so there, you can notice that there's protests in Florida. And I can confirm there were people downtown, but no, it didn't get violent. But the reason it doesn't get violent in Florida is because everybody's strapped. And the governor literally said, if a mob surrounds you, they surround your car, or they surround you and they put you or your family in risk, you have the right to defend yourself. The governor came out and said this. And it's already known in Florida. Don't get out of your car with that road rage shit. You could get shot. don't be doing that shit down here, bro. You could get popped because if you approach somebody and they feel threatened and you have a weapon or whatever the case, they can respond with the necessary amount of force, bro. Now, you cannot go above and beyond. So, like, if somebody doesn't have a gun and you're not, like, and you can't prove that you were, like, in fear for your life, like, if they're not beating you half to death, then you can't just go and blast them. But you can respond with the appropriate amount of force to defend yourself in this state. I don't know about other places. If you throw rocks, you'll be killed. Crazy, bro. Yeah, so there were people protesting, but it didn't get violent. You cannot do that shit here, bro. I might be doing a gifted giveaway. I'm not sure yet. It depends if Anubis Gaming pops out or not. Alright, SPY RSI is getting very oversold. Well, who is this? Who is this? Bro. Miguel. Is this your first time? Yo, I predicted SPY good on the macro, but every one of my dotted line predictions have failed today. So my micro predictions have not been good. But I did call for pullback, right? Yo, Miguel. Thank you so much, dude. I would try to say your first name, but I'm horrible at pronouncing names. I butcher them so bad, and I don't want to offend you. For some reason, I can pronounce words, but names, I suck. Lan? I don't know. I'm sorry. See, that's why I didn't try. I'm sorry. Yo, thank you so much for the 5 gifted memberships. Okay, so SPY's just dumping. It's falling off a cliff, guys. The breakdown of breakdowns is coming. Macro rising wedge NASDAQ breakdown. Macro rising wedge breakdown. And SPY rising wedge breakdown. This is going to lead to another leg down, guys. This whole rising wedge is going to break down. Here's the price target. Here's the price target for SPY macro. Bruh, 470, 480. We're coming all the way back down. We're coming all the way back down when it's all said and done. Well, we're oversold now, so either SPY has to keep dumping or it's going to bounce hard. We're oversold so far. We're so oversold that if it doesn't keep dumping, it's going to bounce hard. We're outside the bands. RSI is oversold. So SPY has to keep riding the bands down and keep dumping or it's going to bounce super hard. We have support here. This is its next level of support. So this could be where we get a bounce. 596.25. We're outside of the bands and RSI is extremely oversold. So SPY either has to continue to dump hard or it's going to bounce with a decent bounce. So the rising wedge breakdown of NASDAQ has begun. NASDAQ has came down, retested the rising wedge as resistance, is now heading towards the gap fill. Holy cow, NASDAQ is dumping. It's going to take SPY with it. NASDAQ controls SPY. Looks like GameStop got a dump too. AMC holding up. Both meme stocks are green on the day while SPY's red. Bitcoin green on the day while SPY's red. Love to see it. Love to see it. Love to see it. Okay, SPY is dumping, cuz. This might be where we get this bounce, though. We have support here at 596.25. RSI extremely oversold. It's at 18 right now. Anything under 30 is oversold. RSI is oversold on the 10-minute. Almost oversold on the 15-minute. SPY has to keep riding these bands to the downside, or it will bounce hard. All right, GameStop's going to bounce. GameStop's going to bounce. AMC 319. AMC 320. GameStop 2238. I told you guys, a big move up to a sharp drop down. I said it. It's been so bullish because NASDAQ has been so bullish. Tech stocks have been leading this. Once this starts to roll over, you're going to see the rest of the market. I literally called this week to a T. Roll over, which is the leader of the market. Red week, SPY as predicted. Right now. This is why SPY has been so bullish because NASDAQ has been so bullish. Tech stocks have been leading this. Once this starts to roll over, you're going to see the rest of the market roll over. But again, I think we're going to see some bullishness here in the beginning of the week as SPY is making this bull flag type structure here. You have this push up, bullish consolidation. Called this perfectly. Bull flag broke out exactly as predicted. You could see an even decent move to the upside, make 302. Right here's the bull flag. 605, and then start pulling back rapidly after that. 605, and then pulling back to the upside. Then a blow off top. Blow off top 605. So called it. Rapid push up. I call every single major pullback on SPY. Most likely starting on Wednesday, heading into Thursday and Friday. So I'm gonna go ahead and I literally called this dump for SPY. Let's go ahead and move into BTC and crypto, and then wrap. I called this dump. This dump. Bro, I called them all. I called the 460 pullback. I called this dump. I called this dump. This dump. This one and this one, bruh. Insane. And this one, it's going to be big. Big, 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 big. But this is the start of it. This is the start of it. So we have more to go, but this will take place over time. Macro. I told you they were using everyone for exit liquidity. Here it comes. Red week, SPY, red week, SPY, red week, SPY, and the memes green, and the memes green, and the memes green while SPY dumping. Yeah. Red week. We're down 1.32% now. Let's see where we're at for the week. We're down 0.58% for the week. Red week for SPY. Lock it in, baby. Lock it in. Woo! SQQQ up almost up 4.5%, up almost 4.5%. SQQQ starting to make moves. If what I think happens, SPY dumps next week and memes rip. This is probably why they have the call options, because SPY's going to crash and memes are going to squeeze. This is probably why they have all of these call options. Why is there 128,000 open interest at $125 strike price on GameStop? Makes no sense unless they know for sure, bruh. It's because they're pulling the rug. They used all of the bulls for exit liquidity that weren't paying attention to DataZero and knew about the rising wedge. So now markets start dumping. What if, bro, and what all of a sudden cost to borrow pops for GameStop? I don't think so. I don't think so. Something's happening, cuz. All of a sudden, cost of borrow, it's going even higher. It's going even higher. And they have no shares. They only have 1 million shares, bruh. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Yo. Oh, my God, dude. Bro, something's coming. I don't give a fuck what anyone says. I don't give a fuck what anyone says. Something is coming. A big crash and a big pump for the memes. SPY's got to bounce here, bro. There's no fucking way it doesn't. There's no way we don't bounce here, bro. There's no way we don't bounce here. SPY has to. RSI is literally, bro, there's no way. Bro, memes are going to squeeze and the market's going to fall. GameStop's bouncing. AMC still at 319, 320. This shit too, man. I was hoping we hold longer and push up. SPY's definitely gonna bounce. It has to. Okay, SPY is bouncing as expected. SPY is bouncing as expected. It's probably going to come up to like 597, 597.80. Only the OGs will know this beat. Hey, Amy, you're pulling back. What are you doing there? Amy pulling back a little bit here. Amy pulling back a little bit here. It says for corporate investment. It says proceeds are targeted for corporate investment. So you guys think that means buying more Bitcoin? They might be buying more Bitcoin. They might be doing exactly what MicroStrategies does. And MicroStrategies is like a $500 valuation. Because so far it looks like GameStop's doing the exact same thing MicroStrategies is doing. And if you look at MSTR, MSTR is a $377 stock. Falling wedge breakout, pop to the upside as expected. MSTR. Literally, what they're doing is exactly what MSTR does. If you look at MSTR 8K filings, you'll see the same thing. They do the exact same thing. They'll file these. They'll do these convertible notes, and then they'll buy Bitcoin. It's like an infinite money printer. And Bitcoin just keeps going up and up and up, so you pay off the loan using the Bitcoin. It's genius. It's literally an infinite money printer because Bitcoin keeps going up. It's literally the same thing as never sell your Bitcoin and never tell anyone about it. Bitcoin, baby. SPY looks like it's trying to get a bounce, like I said. Yeah, SPY's bouncing like I said it would. SPY's bouncing. Take profit on puts. SPY's going to make a lower high and then come back down, but take profit on puts. SPY has resistance at 597.87. GameStop pushing back up. GameStop pushing up. AMC 318 getting a bounce. So AMC had a slight pullback. It's still up 1.69% on the day. It's at 118, getting a slight bounce here. GameStop also trying to get a slight bounce here after pulling back, up 1.26% on the day. 22.41 GameStop, 318 on AMC. SPY is getting a bounce, 597 right now, has resistance at 597.87. Thank you guys for watching DZ Livestream. Thank you guys for watching DZ Livestream. 3 minutes till power hour. 3 minutes till power hour. I'm going to play one commercial right now, guys. Thank you guys for 5 brand new members and super chats today. Thank you guys so much, for real. Shout out to everybody who pressed like. Shout out to everybody who watches. Please subscribe if you haven't. And I also, in yesterday's video, I called for a green day for the meme stocks. In yesterday's video. I called for a green day on the meme stocks. So hopefully we close green as predicted and SPY closes red as predicted, baby. US. All right, so yeah, like I said, if you can break this 336, you could push up to it's going to be 250. So if you can break 236, you could go as high as 250. You need to break and hold that. And then after that, you have the 275. But you must break and hold the 360. I did say cash out and come back in because you could take profits and come back in because it's probably going to go back up. But we don't know if it's going to make a new all-time high or not, or local high. Excuse me. Thank you for the super chat. Bitcoin's going back up. Bitcoin's bouncing. Bitcoin's back at 105.2. Ethereum is also green now. Crypto's going green. Crypto's going green. You're welcome. Thanks for the super chat, dog. Yeah, so SPY's probably going to bounce heading towards that support and resistance, 597. It's like 597.80. GameStop's trying to build bullish momentum back. AMC's pushing back towards 320. Bitcoin is also recovering. Love to see this. SPY red, Bitcoin green, GameStop green, AMC green. Perfect. Now we just need this times 20, which should happen in the future. I'll be making more predictions on the weekly outlook and prediction for next week. So next week's predictions will be on Sunday's video. I do a video every Sunday for the weekly outlook. You guys know it's Friday the 13th, right? It's kind of funny, SPY's crashing on Friday the 13th. Yeah, SPY's getting a bounce towards that 597, 80. How many people are watching? You guys always go ham. I might as well just expect it. Also, we got a new subscriber. Thank you. We're at 16,265 subscribers. Welcome to the DZ fam. 163 people watching. Thank you. All right, let's see how many push-ups I have to do. Shout out Freddy's Gym. 5, 10. Shout out Miguel. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. 45. Shout out Double R, Jose, Kai Supreme, City Boy, Motorflix. That's what memes do. They can pop off at any time. What up, Steve? What's good with you, brother? Glad to see you here, man. MACD going green for SPY. MACD going green for SPY. SPY's about to get a bounce. $65 push-ups. 65 push-ups. Complete. We never give up. We got to stay on our grind. Got to stay focused. Improving our mind, bodies, and souls. Hey, GameStop pushing up. GameStop pushing up. AMC 317. I'm about to do 25 more push-ups. All right, that's 90 push-ups for the day. I'm about to do the last 10. I literally just busted out 100. I'm about to do 10 more right now. Whew. I doubt it's 72%. I'll check myself. If it's 72%, okay, something weird's happening. That's outrageous. A 100 push-ups complete. Who's seen the stream where I did the one arm push-ups? Dark pool 71% is insane. Something's coming, bruh. I don't care what anyone says. There's no way the dark pool is at 71% and something's not coming. There's just no way. Bro, 71% is insane. 37 million volume. 37 million volume. Oh my God. Listen, ladies and gentlemen, I don't care what anyone says. Something's coming for GameStop. First of all, we have these two gap fills to the upside, and we're outside of the bands. Technicals say that we will return back inside of the bands and fill these gaps. So that means we're coming back up. Cost to borrow absolutely just skyrocketed. Cost to borrow is at 3.43% right now. Last time we seen cost to borrow this high was around 5.3 of 2024. This is what happened then. Now, cost to borrow did go higher during this. Cost to borrow went as high as like 15, 16%, but it started to spike up and then GameStop ran 500%. Now, right here's proof of that, right? Look at this numbers, 3.5. Watch this. I'm going to rewind time. I'm not going to cut or anything. Look at the cost to borrow numbers. Look what they did first. They spiked up around 5.7, 5.9. This is what happened on those days. Look at the right here. Now, on top of all that, check this out. June 20th, we have crazy mountain of calls. Expirations as high as 125, and people are right now just bought $120 calls. 128,000 open interest at the 125 strike price. Crazy gamma ramp. All this while NASDAQ is retesting the rising wedge as resistance, which means a major breakdown in the markets is coming, which means liquidity will be low and hedge funds will be losing money because they own the Mag 7. And if the Mag 7 goes down, they use those positions as collateral for short positions for AMC and GME. I don't care what anyone says. Something's coming. Also, AMC and GME green while SPY's red. Love to see it. Bitcoin also green. Bitcoin's getting a nice bounce. All of this to me means that something's coming for GME stock. Like and subscribe for more stock and crypto news and predictions. Bro, we're about to see a massive rally. I don't think I'm wrong about what's coming for GameStop. All while SPY and NASDAQ are starting to dump. This is crazy. I mean, it kind of does look like the Volkswagen squeeze chart, though. Look at it. Bro, it does look like it, though. Look at it. You have this big pump to a dump coming back down to your liquidity zone. Then you squeeze. And it happened while the market crashed. GameStop just had a big rally. It's been rallying. It's literally the same. Bro, it's been rallying. Dump down to your liquidity zone. What if we get a pop to the upside? And this is what Volkswagen did. It rallied. Then it dumped. The market crashed and it squeezed. And the market was trending down, up, and then down as this was happening. This happened between October, basically starting 2008, So you can say the beginning of 2008, heading into 2009. It took like a year and some change. And if you look at SPY's chart, so as the market was crashing and trending down, Volkswagen was trending up. Notice the whole time the market's crashing, Volkswagen's trending up. Look at the dates. The market starts trending down, 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 down. Then the market capitulates in October. Volkswagen squeezes in October. The market has been trending down. It's making a lower high. This is a downtrend. If the market tops here like I'm expecting, that's a lower high on both NASDAQ and SPY, which means a downtrend. So the market's trending down. GameStop is trending up. It's the same thing, bruh. It is more volatile, which means the move could be bigger, which means a bigger crash. Look at these swings. Look at this swing. Look at this pump to dump to pump. This is the craziest shit we've ever seen. These are trillion-dollar swings. Multi-trillion-dollar swings. Yeah, they're scared right now. They're scared as fuck of GameStop. They're dark pooling 71% of the volume, and they're dumping shares. Something is coming that they are terrified of. They have 100,000 shares left. That's it. Cost of borrow is rising. So more shares would cost more money. They'd have to borrow at higher prices. That is not good for them. I can't wait for next week either, bro. I really hope we see something. Or the beginning of something.
Can't wait for AMC plus GME plus SQQQ rocket
I am excited for next week, but I'm not going to get too hyped up because you never know what's going to happen in these markets. Yo, you guys gotta leave Roaring Kitty alone, man. Let that man be. Let that man rest. SPY's basically going to consolidate for the rest of the day and then maybe slight pullback in the close. You guys went pretty crazy on the super chats. Thank you guys. AMC's at 316. GameStop's at 2241. Do fractals provide insight for future moves? 1000%, bro. The market is just a series of repeating patterns, bro. And the patterns are made up of psychological human behavior and algorithms.
Do fractals provide insights for future moves?
And fractals and bars patterns, 1000%. Look how well this bars pattern. Yo, thank you, Conkers. Thank you, Conkers, bro. I appreciate you.
GME, AMC, SQQ Fire NXT Week.
Look how well the fractal of Bitcoin is going, bro. I mean, this is ridiculous. It literally, all Bitcoin or all the market is a series of repeating patterns, bro. This fractal is from this run up here. It's the exact same thing, dude. This run up here is this fractal, aka bars pattern. And look how stupid it tracks. Oh, nice, brother. That's what I need, a vacation. I think that's what I need to do. I've been working too hard, man. I need to balance
Still here,
work
Big
and
Dog
play.
just got back from vacation.
Hope you had a good vacation, bro. Thank you for the super chat, man. You guys are freaking wildin' right now. 5 brand new members, multiple super chats, 128 likes, 165 in the building. Got 30 minutes remaining. 30 minutes remaining. $173 in the building now. SPY might make another leg down here if it loses its support. I'm really hoping GameStop closes green. Hell no, bro. I am great. I'm great. Thank you. I knew you weren't gone for good.
Didn't want you thinking I was gone, hope you're good.
Oh shit! You guys are fucking wildin'. C12! We just got multiple super chats and sweet C12 just dropped a gifted. Thank you, brother. We got the OG beats playing today. Yo, thank you guys for the gifteds and the super chats, bro. Thank you. Spy's trying to get a bounce off of... Yo, double bottom. That's a double bottom on Spy. Lakeisha! Yo, thank you guys. Welcome to the family, Lakeisha. Let's go. Let's go. We got a new member to the fam. Okay, you guys are crazy. Israel just intercepted Iranian missile. Yeah, WW3 is definitely starting. WW3 is definitely starting.
Israel just intercepted an Iranian missile.
Oh my god, dude, this is all bad. This is all bad, dude. This is all bad.
Yo, 14, you got another one.
Live news update, guys. Live news updates. Hit subscribe. Hit subscribe for those live news updates. 200 people in the building. I swear super chats make more people come, bro. I swear. Make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button if you haven't. Hit that like and subscribe button if you haven't. All right, GameStop is still green. AMC still green. AMC 316. GameStop 2239. What up, Cookie? Yo, my prediction: SPY crashes, memes pump. This is the macro prediction I've been making. And Bitcoin is fully decoupled from the stock market, like I said. Bitcoin is now fully decoupled. All right, you guys went kind of surprise crazy on the super chats. Thank you. DZ fam is the only reason I'm here. I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for you guys. If it wasn't for your support. You guys have always just showed so much love. Alright, so of course, I'm rocking the merch. So if you guys want to get some fresh drip, if you want to cop yourself some fresh drip, check out the merch store. Focus, there you go. So if you want to cop yourself some fresh drip, hit up the merch store. Good quality stuff, man. Good quality stuff. Merch store, link in the comment section and description. We have stuff for guys and girls. Even mugs, hats, t-shirts. All types of stuff. Hoodies, gym bags. So if you guys want to check that out. Support the channel in a different way. We also have a Discord. Discord is $100 for a lifetime invite. Exclusive plays, exclusive technicals, exclusive community as well. If you want to join that Discord, hit me up on my email, DataZeroOfficial5, DataZeroOfficial5. The bands are starting to tighten up. So, okay, so SPY might do what I originally said and consolidate into close and then dump, like I said. And I'm actually going to post that in the Discord to confirm. What up, Marmar? What's good with you? I almost forgot the camera was on. Buy chance or value trap? It's a buy chance. It's a buy chance. MSTR is... Look, they're saying it's... Look, the GameStop is emulating. They're literally saying it. I don't know if people know this, but GameStop's copying MSTR. I'm going to make a video about it. Yo, I don't know if anyone knows this, but GameStop is copying a very specific strategy. Let me show you. So GameStop is doing exactly what MSTR MicroStrategies is doing. It's literally using this money to buy Bitcoin. Okay, and I want to show you guys MicroStrategies valuation. MicroStrategies is worth $382 right now. Okay. Let's say GameStop were to be a profitable company, which it did beat earnings 4 times in a row. So GameStop improves itself as a company and holds a ton of Bitcoin. That makes GameStop a game changer. MicroStrategies does the same thing and takes these convertible notes and then buys Bitcoin with the money. These are basically 0 to no interest loans. This deal is extremely good that GameStop got, and it's wild that we're seeing this. So GameStop is literally emulating the same strategy, and it's now come out that GameStop does plan to use this money for corporate investments, is what they specifically say. I think that means buy Bitcoin. Because Bitcoin keeps going up over time, they literally pay back the loans with Bitcoin gains. And it's an infinite money glitch. And this is why MSTR is so highly valuated. So GameStop could literally become a game changer. And it's a long-term hold in my personal opinion. This thing is wild. If GameStop does confirm that they are buying more Bitcoin, that is going to be absolute confirmation that they're copying the MicroStrategies playbook. Okay, yeah, SPY pulling back in the close. SPY pulling back in the close. It just lost a major level. I have the best job in the world. I have the best job in the world. Thank you guys for tuning in to DZ live stream. Best job in the world. I appreciate it for real. Because without you guys tuning in, I would not be here. We got 177 in the building. Face cam for the win. MSTR's price makes perfect sense. It's a literally infinite money glitch, but MSTR has been doing it longer. They've made so much money. MSTR has made so much money off the Bitcoin. It's ridiculous. And if Bitcoin goes up, MSTR goes up. Because MSTR owns so much Bitcoin. That's why MSTR is valuated at $300. $388. Bitcoin goes up, MSTR goes up. I really hope both memes close green on the day, but they're dumping short shares. They are dumping short shares, which is fine. They're going to be sick once the market crashes. Ah, the short sellers are fucking sick right now. They're so sick right now. 10 minutes remaining. 10 minutes remaining. Drove from Tampa to Ucanada. You can't. I can't even. What? Yeah, they've been doing. MSTR's been doing. I don't know if they've been buying Bitcoin for 10 years, bro. I don't know if it's been 10 years, but they've had Bitcoin for quite a while. Yeah, but you have to understand, if you have a bunch of Bitcoin on your balance sheet, you have value. It doesn't even matter if you're profitable. If you have a bunch of Bitcoin on your balance sheet, you have value. Now, it would be better if it was profitable. Now, what if GME is profitable and it has a bunch of Bitcoin? Fuck, the memes are pulling back. Jamie's pulling back. Man, frustrating. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's just frustrating. SPY is looking so bearish. Look how it's below the blue medium line. We have, if the MACD goes red, bro, this thing could actually dump here in the close. We're below the blue medium line. The bands are getting tight. SPY could literally dump in the close here. Bitcoin is still green on the day at 105.1. 105.1, 105K. Ethereum also green on the day. Altcoins are starting to see some green. Altcoins are starting to see some green. Some altcoins. I mean, there's a lot of red here. We're seeing some green here. And Ethereum, Doge, Shiba, Ethereum Classic, Solana. Oh, man, they got GME white on the day. Bastards. GME white on the day. Those bastards. We need a green day as predicted, you bitch. Now, SPY red week as predicted for show. Locked it in. And we pulled back exactly how we said we would. I called SPY to a T. And SPY is one of the hardest stocks to predict. I told you guys 605 top. I told you guys we would start pulling back Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Look, we got the push to the upside Monday and Tuesday exactly as expected. Breaking out of the bull flag, which I called. Then I said we would push up to 605. We topped out at 605 as predicted. And then on Wednesday, which we topped, Thursday, Friday, bearish as we stated in the weekly outlook and prediction. Now, yesterday I made a video. Didn't catch the algo. Look, we've been doing numbers on the videos. 2K, 1.8, 1.6. We've been doing numbers. The views are definitely been up. Bitcoin right now is. All right, let's go ahead and move into BTC and crypto and then wrap up this video. So Bitcoin 302 or 602, 605, and then start pulling back rapidly after that. Bullish consolidation, probably going to try to push up for 600. If we do break 600, you could see an even decent move to the upside, make 302 or 602, 605, and then start pulling back rapidly after that.
Why did I have an accent when I
giving
said
us
that?
a nice
That sounded like a Spanish person.
to the upside, then a blow off top move to the downside. So again, a nice rapid push up leading to a big move down, most likely starting on Wednesday heading into Thursday.
Damn,
Friday. So
I said a big move up to
A big move up to a big move down starting on Wednesday. I literally said starting on Wednesday. Downside. So again, a nice rapid push up leading to a big move
Who does
down,
shit like this?
Most likely starting on Wednesday, heading into Thursday and Friday. Starting on Wednesday, heading into Thursday and Friday. And bruh, what did SPY do? SPY went to 605 and pulled back on Wednesday into Thursday and Friday. Dude, it blows my mind sometimes how accurate I can be. Like, that is insane. To be able to do that a week ahead of time is insane. Insane. Calling the exact top and the exact way the price will play out a week ahead of time. Yo, I'm so thankful, God, bro. You gave me a gift. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, bro. You gave me a gift, and it is going to make me rich. Thank you. Thank you, God, bro. AMC 315. GameStop 2215. Ladies and gentlemen, we want to see GameStop close green. Drop some rockets. Drop some rockets. Drop some rockets in the chat. Drop some rockets in the chat. For the love of God, drop some rockets. It wants me to do a commercial, but I'm not going to do it until after the market closes. Well, Karen, you're going to have to wait for the weekly outlook and prediction for that. You guys know that. That's what the weekly outlook and prediction's for. I want to thank you guys for the crazy super chats and 7 brand new members. That's insane. Thank you. We've only been streaming. That's her name, right? Or am I stupid? We've only been streaming 3 hours. It says Karen, bro. That's the name. That's her name. Corinne, Karen, am I missing something? I don't know. Okay, rockets are working. Rockets are working. Rockets are working. Yo, pump more, please. For the love of God. We must close green on the day. AMC 316. AMC 316. We want to see AMC above 315 so bad. So we have to close above 315, guys. Drop the rockets. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. They're laughing at me for saying your name. I don't know what's going on. You guys make me think I'm missing something and look stupid in front of 170 people. I don't want to be like the haters and come embarrass myself in front of 170 people. No commercials until after the market closes. YouTube. More rockets. Okay, that's the market's closing. 1 minute remaining. 20 seconds remaining. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my God. What a battle. First of all, GameStop's going to go up after hours because it got manipulated down. But GameStop did close slightly, ever so slightly red on the day. It was literally down 0.05%. AMC closed green on the day above 315. AMC did do what it needed to do, closing green on the day. Almost 1% green on the day, by the way, on a Friday. 316 AMI closed, and SPY closed at 596. SPY closed at 596.96. That's crazy. Bitcoin's at 105.2, getting a slight bounce here. And after hitting a low of 104.7. And Ethereum is also going green at 2.5K. 2.5K and $30. 2,530. Thank you guys for being here. This was the DZ live stream for a Friday. Listen, make sure you guys put the bell notification on. That way you know when I go live and I drop videos, because my videos are time sensitive. And my live streaming schedule is going to be a little bit sporadic until I get back on a normal schedule of doing a stream and a video every day. I'm taking a little bit of a pullback. That way I can get the class done and get some things sorted out that I need to sort. And I just need to learn how to balance. I've been just grinding too much. A live stream, 5 to 8 hour live stream, and a video every day. It's insane. Plus answering comments, doing plays for the Discord, responding to people, answering emails, running everything, keeping everything operating, making thumbnails, editing videos. It's all a lot, man. So it's a 24/7 thing. So just put that bell notification on. That way you know when we go live and when we drop videos. SPY is trying to make a little bit of a bottom. I can see it. But it's going to go lower. GameStop's coming up in after hours like I said it would, because it got manipulated down in the close. So obvious. There's like stuff going on in the background though, saying that GameStop is going mega bullish. 335%. What if they just blast off in after hours? I think GameStop's just going to pump out of nowhere. But, hey. So much respect for your work ethic. Thank you. Someone called me lazy today, bro. This is literally why I do not listen to haters, bro. Like, people are like, you can't just call everyone negative comment a hater. And I'm like, no, you don't understand. These people say the dumbest things. And I be trolling people too, bro. And they can't even understand that I'm trolling. It's so funny. But I appreciate you guys. Do I ever eat? Yeah, I do eat. I do. This coffee keeps my appetite down, bro. I drink a lot of coffee. I should probably change that. I actually only eat one time a day. That's what I've been doing as of lately. Like, eat one time a day. But I probably should start eating a lunch. AMC's stock is up 28%. What are they talking about? Oh, this article's from... Wait, what the heck? How is this article from 7 hours ago? It was posted 6:13. Okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. Random Motley Fool article. All right, y'all. I'm out of here, man. Enjoy your weekend. Tune in for the weekly outlook and prediction here on Sunday for what I'm expecting. Eating regularly is good for your gut. And I honestly believe that this is just my mind, because the way you guys know how I'm like into looking into everything and overanalyzing everything. Maybe that's a curse or a gift. I don't know. But in my head, they lie to you telling you have to eat 3 times a day. I think that's something to make people consume. I don't think you have to eat 3 meals a day. That doesn't make any sense. Like, unless you're doing a lot of moving and like if you're just sitting at a desk all day and you're eating 3 meals a day, you're gonna get fat. Like, let's say you do what I do and you do a desk job and you don't work out. I work out and shit, but you don't work out and don't do anything. You're just gonna get fat, bro. So I I don't believe in the 3 meals a day thing, but to each their own. Everybody can do what they want. See you, Juan. I appreciate you, bro. Thanks for being here. McDonald's? That is not a healthy breakfast. Oh, I get what you're saying. Fasting? I'll do a fast. I'll only drink water. I could do that. I feel like it would definitely help. Honestly, eating 1 time a day is like, I feel pretty good. If I'm hungry, I'll eat, but oh God, somebody's trying to get me to show crypto. There's been so many people that email me and try to get me to. I'm not gonna shill the community that literally changed my life and give on a Friday on a 3-hour live stream, give 7 brand new members and multiple super chats, 142 likes. I'm not gonna shill my audience crypto coins that are junk. I'm not gonna. You're never gonna pay me enough to do that, bro. I'm not like these other influencers, bro. Every other influencer's for sale. I am not for sale. My community is not for sale, bro. I've had so many people email me trying to get me to show you guys either crypto coins that are junk or weird ass offshore brokers. I'm not going to tell my community to put money in a broker that I'm not sure about so they can get robbed. This is crazy. Yeah, hit the like. We might hit 150 likes. But I got to get out of here, guys. I got someone waiting for me. So I'm going to talk to you guys later, man. I appreciate y'all, man. Thank you guys for everything. DZ fan, bro, for real. Through thick and thin, red or green, we will be here, ladies and gentlemen. And I appreciate you guys for riding with me. Check out the weekly outlook and prediction on Sunday. And as always, family, remember, these are the most important things. Have fun. Stay safe, especially in these crazy times. And make money. Peace out, fam. Make sure you guys like and subscribe for more news, stocks, and crypto, and any breaking news that you need to know about. If it's something, a big story that you need to know about, I will have it, okay? I report those things like this No Kings thing, and then obviously the Iran strikes, especially if it's affecting the market, which most big news stories do affect the market. You can follow me on Twitter/X and to get this information before I even talk about it on videos. You're welcome, man. I'll see y'all later. Thanks for everything, y'all. I'm out.